Hey, I'm Seth with Land to House. I just got two Land to House logos in the mail and I wanted to show them to you. They both mean a lot to me and hopefully you'll find them fascinating. The first one is this one right here. This is from Joe Malovich and also Spencer Langston from Langston Alternative Power. There's a story behind this and I want to share it. But so first of all, let's see, there's Langston Alternative Power on the back with 2020, and then on the front it's just the Land to House logo. So maybe 3 years ago I started watching the YouTube channel Joe Malovich, and he does all kinds of things that it's just beyond me. But one of the things that he got into is micro hydro, and I thought, yes, I have enough knowledge now from watching his video that I can make my own micro hydro system. Well, it wasn't long after that Spencer Langston contacted me and said, hey, I do micro hydro. I've got the permanent magnet alternators and all the nozzles and et cetera, and would you like to have a sample for videos? And I said, yes, definitely want that. So I have actually been in contact with Joe and Spencer for the past year and a half, and we have become friends, and we do different videos, and there's a lot more content on the way for the alternative power. Joe actually has made a video about how he made this, and it's fascinating. All the work he has to do to set up the router with the CNC and cut this out, and how he gets the black paint in here and everything else is still so shiny and smooth. So if you want to check out how he made this, I've got a link in the description down below. It's worth watching. And also check out the rest of his videos. He's got water wheel stuff, and then micro hydro, just like my system, and then a host of other things. And also check out the Langston Alternative Power to see kind of what Spencer's into with his solar and also the hydro business. So that being said, that is that logo. So thanks Spencer, thanks Joe, really appreciate it. Also, the next thing I got in the mail, which has not been glued down yet, is this. This is from SamCraft. I'm gonna turn it up some more and it's gonna fall over. Okay, so Sam, my friend with the YouTube channel SamCraft, made that on his CNC router and sent it to me. And I've also got one down in the new tool shed for the Tools, Tech, and Gear YouTube channel. So big shout out to SamCraft for making this. Link in the description if you want to check out his work. He's got a host of woodworking videos that you may enjoy. And since I'm promoting stuff apparently in this video, a company called Starbond sent me some glues, and I'm going to use this to put together my SamCraft logo here. And then we'll take that down to the new tool shed and get it hung up. But first, let's go ahead and put the one here on the wall behind me. My thoughts are that we could put it up here so the plaque for YouTube is there. I was thinking right up here would be good to hang this. I'm standing on a bucket, so hopefully it doesn't break under my weight here. I'm going to remove this triangle that used to have an vacuum system. Okay, so I'm thinking just right up in here would be good. There we go, nice. That is definitely a nice addition here to the tool wall. And I've always wanted to have a logo here in the shop that kind of just sat in the background or just told people what this channel was, as if I didn't have my logo all over the place. Okay, so once again, thank you for sending that, Joe and Spencer. And if you are new to the channel, definitely check out their content down below. Now, let's see about getting the SamCraft logo put together here. So Starbond has sent several things, and I will probably do a bit more dedicated video on their stuff here in the future. But let's just see what all we have. So several of these medium here, And then let's see what this is. There's a gap filler, there's a medium instant, and here's a thin. The first one I opened up here is the medium, and just kind of reading the instructions here, it looks like we're supposed to remove this white piece here. Man, that's an extra fine nozzle. Go ahead and open this one and put that on there. Okay, something like that. And now it also comes with this bag of super thin applicators, which is ridiculous. Anyway, we'll get into all this later whenever I actually do a dedicated review on it. So the first thing I want to do is glue down this outside edge. So let's just put a little dab here along the middle. I wonder if I have to cut that. Oh, yep. Well, there you go. Let's just try right about here. Okay, let's try that again. The Tools, Tech, and Gear sign that's already down in the new shed, I used wood glue. So we'll see how this compares here. Just putting a thin bead around. Hopefully it doesn't run whenever I lift this up. Yeah, not too bad. Put a little too much, it looks like, because it's got some smear here coming out. Let's go ahead and work on this. So I think I'll take these circles out here and that one. Now it's going to be interesting. I basically get one shot to plop this down here, so it'll just have to go somewhere right here towards the middle. What do you think? Does that look good? Kind of hard to tell. Alright, put a little weight on that. I think we'll call it good. Well, I have to say that glue has worked out really well. I did not use the accelerator, but everything is already locked down on this piece here. I'm going to give it maybe an hour to dry just to make sure, and then I can go put it up on the wall down there in the shed. But anyway, so I'll do a more comprehensive video on the Star Bond glue here at a later time. I just brought the SamCraft sign down here to the studio. Now, I have not made the official announcement yet, but Tools, Tech, and Gear is the YouTube channel that I am creating. So another video will announce that officially here pretty soon, but this is the studio space where that takes place. So I've got studio lights set up, and this is the backdrop here, and this is the Tools, Tech, and Gear sign that SamCraft made for back here. But for now, I've got the Land House there, so if I want to do a product review on Land House, I can put that up there and it'll look pretty cool in the background. But most of my reviews will now be on the Tools, Tech, and Gear, so that Land House can be hydro videos, ram pump, and probably some family vlogs at some point. But anyway, it's nice to have the option for that back here in the back. Thank you so much for watching this little update video on the two logos that came in. I think it looks really good. So that one up there is gonna stay out here in the shop, and then I'll have the one down there at the tool shed that will go back and forth if I need to film something in that space down there. But anyway, once again, thanks to Joe and Spencer and Sam for all of these cool things. And also check out the Star Bond glue if that's something that you are interested in. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.